Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 7. You're almost done. This week, you're going to be focusing on monopoly and monopolistic competition. So, in chapter 15, you have monopoly. I just wanted to bring your attention to the fact that the graphs are a little bit different this week. So, I pulled out your PowerPoint, and by the way, hopefully you've been accessing the PowerPoints under lessons. Let me just show that to you real quick. So if you go to lessons and for chapter 15, you click on Monopoly. There are PowerPoints for you to take a look at. So the graph for Monopoly is a little bit different, and just wanted to highlight a couple of things. First of all, like perfect competition, you have to set marginal revenue equal to marginal cost in order to find the proper level of output. But you need to go up to the demand curve to figure out what price is. Okay, so obviously by construction, since the monopolist is the only seller of a good, they have a little bit more influence over how much they can charge. So they can't charge whatever they want. They can't charge a price that is beyond the demand curve that people simply won't desire. But they can charge quite a bit. And this is why the government tries to regulate monopolies, or they break up monopolies. Sometimes they leave monopolies alone. So you can take a look at the chapter. How do we tell the difference between monopoly profit? Let me just click on that. So monopoly profit is, so we know where we find our maximum output where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. That gives us the quantity. But the monopoly profit is basically the area that is between the average total cost and up to the price. So it's the area above average total cost to the demand curve. Okay, so the base of this box is the output, and the height is the difference between the monopoly price and the average total cost. So hopefully that helps a little bit. Monopolistic competition is similar to monopoly. The graphs look very much the same. The only difference is that in the case of monopolistic competition, there's entry and exit into this market. So whereas a monopolist can have profits in the long run because there are barriers to entry, in the monopolistic competition market structure, there are zero profits in the long run, because if there are profits, someone's going to enter, and that, of course, that brings down the demand for each individual seller. Okay, so eventually it gets to the point where there are zero profits in the long run. So hopefully that helps a little bit. Keep chugging, and you're almost done. Good luck with this week. Take care.